also a place for our two honeymooners.
Yeah. Please come here, you can see the good view. Look at my video. This night view, you see.
Oh, yes.
Night landscape. Yeah. This one is amazing one. Yeah. And over there, not so amazing. This is amazing. Even the tour guide, you see the tour guide, he have a selfie by himself, and he don't care. Yeah, someone. I don't know his job. Maybe selfie job, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's amazing. Wow, where you from?
Germany.
Germany, okay. You know Germany?
Yeah.
Germany, they have a lot of famous place, and they have the quality of the car, SUV car, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we have BMW,
Yeah.
we have a Mercedes, Audi,
Yeah.
and the
Porsche.
city, yeah. And then we have the football team.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, the best football, right?
Bayern
Yeah.
Munich.
Yeah, right. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.